You're welcome to Purple Bet. This is stage 12 on approximation games, Mass City games. Here I want to show you how to approximate to the nearest tenth. You know, the 10th digit is actually the first digit after the decimal point to the right. So like we always do, if you want to approximate a number to the nearest tenth, simply round off the digit immediately after the 10th digit to the right. That is in 217.482. Seeing that the 10th digit is 4, you need to round off 8, and that would just be fine. So 8 would be rounded up to make this become 5, and you have 0, 0, so you have 217.500, which is now 217.5. If you need to approximate 521.93 to the nearest tenth, the 10th digit is 9, so you're going to round off 3, which is rounding down, so 3 becomes 0, so you have 521.90, which is equal to 521.9. And lastly, if you need to approximate 6.4817 to the nearest tenth, round off 8, because 8 is the digit after the required digit, which is the 10th digit 4. So you have 8 being rounded up to become 6.5000, and that's what we got here, 6.5000, which in turn is 6.5. So if we hit the further explanation button, we get to see what is in there, and it's just saying that the 10th digit is the first digit after the decimal point to the right, and all I said before. So the reason why we have to round up 8 is because 8 is the digit after the 10th digit, which is 4 to the right. And if you go on like that, you see why everything was done the way they were done. So now we go over to the game. Right away, if we hit on the game button, the first question is approximate 619.47 to the nearest tenth. Of course, the 10th digit is 4, so we're going to round up 7 to make this 4, 5. So we have 619.5. Approximate 83.562 to the nearest tenth. Of course, the 10th digit is 5, so we're going to round up 6 to make this 5, 6. So we have 83.6, and that's this. Approximate 119.63 to the nearest tenth. The 10th digit is 6, so we're going to round down 3, and 3 will be rounded down to be 0, so we have 119.6. That's it. And next question is approximate 201.073 to the nearest tenth. The 10th digit is 0, so we're going to round up 7 to make this 0 become 1. So we have 201.100, which is 201.1. And the next question is approximate 239.58 to the nearest tenth. The 10th digit is 5, so we're going to round up 8 to make this 5 become 6. So we now have 239.6, and this is it. So once you're done with the last question, you hit this button to the next level, and when you get your password, having gotten all your points correctly, you hit this button to the next stage. Happy viewing. Bye for now.